Hi, it's Laura Lynn from teddybearacademy.net, where you can take online teddy bear making classes from the comfort of your own home. In this week's free video, I'm going to show you another one of the tools that I use for making teddy bears. Now, this tool is not necessary for making teddy bears, but it sure is nice to have. My bear making tip with you this week is how to get your pattern markings onto a dark colored fabric. Now, as you can see, if you tried to use your regular black Sharpie, it doesn't show up very well. Even if you tried to use a slightly fatter marker, it will show up, but it will still be hard to see to cut out. You can see it there, but it's not easy to see. You'll get eye strain and you might make a mistake. What I use is a white jelly roll pen. This shows up very nicely on the black fabric, easy to see, and so easy to cut out. Voila. Not all jelly pens are created equal. The one that I like to use is from Sakura, and it comes in a pack of 3 from Amazon: Ice Cream Smooth, Bright White Ink, Jelly Roll. And I will have a link to this exact product below in the description. Get your free ebook, How to Make Teddy Bears, which includes 7 different patterns, when you visit the website listed below.